The highway, conditions went from good to bad to much worse in just a few hours, although this American from Atlanta calls it an adventure.
This is amazing experience for us. We saw the Niagara, we have seen it many times in the past, but this was unbelievable experience with the blizzard.
At least 50 vehicles were in a pileup between London and Sarnia. That collision closed Highway 402 for a while. In the Niagara area, winds drove waves against the shore.
It is very windy, and there is a lot of snow blowing, as you can see. And this is what the conditions are like if you're driving on the highways here. Very tough to drive, very tough to stand up right now.
Some people lost power, like this man.
My wife called, said the power's out at home. So I'm going home to start the generators up and stay warm the rest of the night.
Advance warnings kept some people home. This woman was out, but had a caution.
The road conditions are not great today. On the road, there's lots of snow, blowing wind, whiteout conditions. If I didn't have to pick up my daughter today, I would not be out on the roads. I suggest you guys stay home if you can.
I grew up in Alberta and I lived in Saskatchewan for the first half of my life, and boy, I saw a lot of winter storms. I've never seen a winter storm in southern Ontario like what we're seeing in this part right now. That driving wind, those difficult conditions. What we saw here, Toronto people on their way to Buffalo earlier, realizing that because they couldn't get in, the border was closed, they were going to stay here. So hotels are busy now as a result of people saying, I can't get across the border, for example, or I can't see in front of my car. I have to stop. This is unusual, but this is what's happening down here, and it's going to go on for a while yet. Back to you, Alan.
Very treacherous conditions indeed. Thank you, Sean.
You can see the flooding already started, and it's only like 12 o'clock. I feel sorry for all the people who live on the lake. They're getting flooded out again.